This is a fit for a 2016 through 2019 and likely beyond MAZDA CX-9 with the factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule Rapid Podium WingBar EVO base roof rack system. The system is using the WingBar EVO 118 load bars in silver, 47 inches in length, the 460R Rapid Podium Foot pack, and the vehicle-specific fitting kit, which includes the rubber boots and the rubberized metal brackets and fasteners to connect to the fixed point connections. This is part number KIT 3160. The bars are in a predetermined fixed location at 28 inches from front to rear, center to center. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please see the link in our video description for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.